morning, everybody. It's so freaking bright in this tent, and it's 6:01 in the morning. So I'm gonna get up and build a fire and probably make some breakfast while I wait on Rebecca to wake up. Rebecca's awake.
Another one.
Where? Oh yeah, we got little visitors at camp that are after. Where'd he go? Oh, there.
After my veggies.
They're after Rebecca's breakfast here. Where'd that one go? There he is. Got another little buddy.
Was he up there?
Yeah, he was up on the step.
Things that I'm like,
Now we're in the foothills of the Brooks Mountains at, what's the name of this river? That way y'all can kind of look up if you would like to see where we're at. That's there. We're at mile marker 150, I believe. Don't hold me to that, but we'll be real close to that. And right there is where the road goes straight up. And I believe from a while ago in that little time-lapse video I showed you, I believe the Brooks Mountains are that way. I'm pretty sure. Let's walk over here to the river. We pulled over right here, let Rebecca use the restroom, and I figured I'd talk to y'all for a minute. We got up this morning, which y'all see my little buddy. That little squirrel thing, I couldn't get my camera out, came like this far from my shoe and was about to climb up my leg, and I had to tell him to go away. He got up on top of my laptop, on top of my bag. I don't guess he was scared of people. But when we eat breakfast, I cooked me a couple egg sandwiches. Rebecca eat some eggs with something in it. I'm not exactly sure. And yeah, we just kind of hit the road. We've got about 30 miles till what's the name of that town we're headed to? Coldfoot. I don't know why I can't remember that. About 30 miles to Coldfoot, and then there's several things there we want to do. It's supposed to be like this really cool saloon and a few other things, visitor center and stuff like that we're going to check out, and then head on up the road. We've still got probably about 270 miles or so left to Dead Horse, and then yeah, that's where Prudhoe Bay will be. Dead Horse and Prudhoe Bay is kind of the same thing. So, but yeah, I guess we're going to get back on the road. I think Rebecca's going to film a little bit of stuff for her channel. Is that frost? Not exactly sure what that is. There's something white growing on these plants. Not sure. Thing. Problem. We stopped at the Coldfoot Visitor Center. stopped here at the Truckers Cafe, and they don't have liquor up this far, which I didn't figure they would. She's got the old Miller Lite going on. Rebecca's got some kind of, I don't know what it says. Some kind of Pilsner. I don't know what that is, but I'm not drinking that. Old Miller Lite.
Down there is, oh, it's 5,000 miles, so.
Yeah, and there's basically about 9,000
Oh,
miles.
but that's down to Patagonia, so no, wait, hang on.
Thanks very much. Pull over and show y'all this humongous mountains. We're now in the Brook Mountain Range, or Brooks Mountain Range, I believe is how it's pronounced. This is just absolutely amazing. See if I can zoom in some and show y'all this thing. It rises 3,000 feet above the road, according to the little guidebook thing we got here. And that's where we're at right now. We're making our way towards Dead Horse. We've got probably about another 210 miles or so to get there, so we're just going to keep on booking it. First caribou, or really anything besides a squirrel and birds we've seen so far. And it happens to be a bull. I wish he'd turn around. It's funny too, that dude's right across the road right back there looking down the wrong side.
Was he looking the other way?
Yeah. Well, here is where we decided to make camp for the night. Right over there, probably about 15 miles away, is Dead Horse. Right there's the river. I got my tent set up here, and Rebecca's got her truck set up here, and we're going to eat steak and macaroni tonight. We've made it in here, and the drive here was beautiful. I hope y'all could actually really see the footage. I hope the camera focused like it's supposed to. But yeah, we're going to eat, and just more than likely, as soon as I get done eating, I'm going to bed. I fell asleep twice with her while she was driving. I'm wore out for some freaking reason, so we're going to get some sleep, and I guess we'll see y'all in the morning. We got a lot of stuff coming up, so make sure y'all smash the subscribe button. Until next time, y'all have a good one.